Hello, fellow dropshipper. We have noticed you are looking for an auto-ordering tool, and you came to the right place because today we'd love you to check out our tool rapidorder.io, suitable for everyone who wants to replace their manual ordering with a fully automated tool. Our tool is for sellers in the USA, Canada, UK, and most of the other European countries. For our full list of stores, you can check out the description below this video, as these change frequently. And you get your first 50 orders totally free, and any order past this number is 15 cents only. We offer a private consultation call to get you started as easy as possible. And for our full list of features, you can check out our website at www.rapidorder.io. And I will see you on the inside. Bye.